So do you also want to add your LinkedIn leads to your Klaviyo as subscribers? Then you are on the right video. In this video, I'll show you how you can create this amazing automation without knowing any programming or coding language. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of LinkedIn leads to Klaviyo for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and if you find it helpful for your business, then you can move on further and use this discount coupon code which we have attached just to help you if you need Pabbly Connect subscription. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn right over here. So let's search for LinkedIn and select it. For the event, select it as lead notifications and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Now you have to log in your LinkedIn account, so enter the account credentials and click on this sign in, and your LinkedIn account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the sponsored account, and if you also see this no options found, no worries, just click on this refresh fields button and the options will appear. Then select your sponsored account and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you just have to do the test submission, and for that, as you can see, that this is the form which is the lead form. So I'm just going to open this form and I'm just going to submit this form. So let's say someone sees my ad on their LinkedIn, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. Now what is going to happen is I'm just going to submit it, but you must be wondering why is it not asking me for the first name, last name and company name? Because my campaign is in draft mode. That's the reason that it is not asking me for these details, and it is only asking me for the email address and the phone number. But if you're running a live campaign, this problem will not be with you. So as you can see, I'm just going to enter the email address and the phone number and click on this submit button. Now it is saying information sent to Pabbly. This means that we have successfully sent this information to Pabbly, which means we have completed the test submission, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. Just wait for a few seconds. But before that, I'm just going to let you know you have two options. The first option is you can create the test lead like I did. Just open your campaign, go towards your lead form and submit the lead form yourself and create a test lead. The second option which you have is that you can wait until you receive a real lead in real time. And if you want to create this automation only for your real leads, then you can opt for the second option. But I'll suggest you go for the first option, create a test lead and finish this automation, because it is going to then run perfectly fine for real leads too. Once you complete this automation, you just have to sit back and relax. No need to worry. Whenever a real lead comes in real time, this automation is going to run for those leads too, not only for test leads. All right, so now let's wait till we receive this response. And now you can see we have received this response over here, the email address, phone number, first name, last name and the company name. So now let's add these details in our Klaviyo. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Klaviyo and select Klaviyo. And now for the event, select it as create profile and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Klaviyo and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Klaviyo. Now you have to select the latest version over here and click on this save. Once you click on this save, make sure that your Klaviyo account is logged in before starting with the automation, and then click on this continue, select the account, and then it is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now our Klaviyo is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's enter the details of our leads in order to add them into our Klaviyo. So So in order to enter the details, or is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map these details, put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. I'm only going to map the email, phone, first name and last name. It is going to ask me for many other details, but all of these details are not required. So I'm just going to leave it as blank, move on further and click on this save and send test request. Further, if you want to add some custom details of yourself, you just have to switch on this mapping button and enter the details right over here like this, and automatically the field for the same details will appear once you enter the details. If you want to enter many details, just enter the comma separated value like this and automatically these fields will appear. I'm just going to switch it off and click on this save and send test request. Now we have successfully received the positive response that we have successfully created this profile in our Klaviyo. But now our main objective is to add all the leads into this list, which is LinkedIn lead gen leads. Alright, so what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to click on this add new action step. Once again, I'm just going to search for Klaviyo and select it. This time for the event, I'm going to select it as add profiles to list and click on this connect. We have recently created this connection, so select existing connection and then save. Now we have to select the list ID and enter the profile ID. So over here, if you want, you can definitely select a profile, but over here we don't have to select the profile because I want to create this automation for all the leads coming in future too. So for that we have to map this. So switch on this mapping button and map this profile ID from the response of your previous step. So as you can see, I'm just going to put a slash, open the response of this Klaviyo right over here, and as you can see that this is the profile ID, which is data ID. So map it and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response, so let's open our list and I'm just going to refresh this list and you're going to see a new profile is added to this list right over here, and the details are exactly the same which we entered, be it the first name, last name, email or the phone number. Right over here the details are added, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, first of all in Klaviyo the profile will be created for the same lead, and then further the profile will be added into this list. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now we don't have to come back again to our workflow. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions you can drop them in the comment section below. For the reference, I'm just going to attach the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.